Hey folks, welcome back and welcome back to my new series. So in this series we are going to start a C programming from a very basics to the advanced level. So if you are from any background, IT, non-IT, let it be. So in this playlist we are going to see in a simple way about C programming and everything we are going to see in this series. So if you are new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe our channel guys. Let's see about this C programming. Okay, so in this video we are going to see about the basics of the C, like what is the programming and so on. Let's start the video guys. So basically we are going to see about what is C. So okay, before that I will tell you some basic knowledge that who invented this C. So Dennis Ritchie is the person who invented this C programming. Okay, who created this C programming. Okay, so it is also known as the case sensitive language, because if case sensitive means if I write here a is equal to 1, so it means that a is equal to 1. Okay, if I would write like here capital A is equal to 1, so this both meaning will become different, like this meaning will become different and this meaning will become different. When I want to see this output, like when I want to see the value of the A, then I want to write here print. If I would write here A, just a second, I will take another values you can find easily. Okay, if I will write here print A, then it will print the value 2. Okay, because I have written here capital A. Okay, if instead of A, then I will write here small a, then it will give the output as the 1. Okay, if I would write here capital A, then it will give 2, and if I would write here small a, then it will give the 1. Okay, but in the Python is not like that. In the Python or in the other language it is not like that. Like if I would write here a is equal to 1 and I will write here capital A is equal to 2, then it will show us error in the Python. Okay, because it will tells us that you have uploaded first of all a is equal to 1. Okay, then you can't do this value. Okay, you can't enter this value into the a because a is used already. You can use here instead of a, you can use here b, c, x, y, z, anything. Okay, but in the C language here not like that, because it is also known as the case sensitive language. Okay, you have to understand that. Okay, so let's see about what is programming. Okay, the way in which we talk to our machine, that is known as the programming language. Okay, like I will tell you with the help of a single simple example. Like here are you person and here is the another fellow who is from the like US. Okay, and you are from the India. Okay, so example that think that you comes the language Hindi. Okay, and he comes the language of the English, so you can't understand the each other language. Okay, you can't understand the each other language. Like if you talk to him in the Hindi, then he can't understand. Okay, if he talk to you in the English, then you can't understand the English. Okay, this is the position right now here. Okay, now if you want to talk both person, then the another person is there. Okay, the another fellow is there who translate your Hindi language and he will convert it into the English language, and he will take the reply of the English and he will convert the English into the Hindi. That the person does. Okay, he let we give the name for him as the agent. Okay, like the person who is there who translate the language from the Hindi to English and English to Hindi. Okay, same like that we have a, so like that here we have a person user and here is our computer is a dumb machine which only can understand the values like 0 and 1. it can understand only the boolean values like 0 and 1. So we can't talk in the 0 and 1. Okay, so the languages are made. Because of that, the languages are made, like example C, JavaScript, Java, Python, HTML, Kotlin, CSS, JavaScript. There are the many languages in the market through which you can communicate with your computer. Okay, in this series we are going to see, as I have told you, that we are going to see about the C programming. Okay, now let's see about the next, where the C language is used. Okay, so if we talk about where does the C language is used, so basically I will tell you with the example. Like we all have shown about the websites. Like this is the website, like the Google page, anything you have shown. Okay, so this is the website. So basically it is converted into two parts, mainly named as the first is front end and second one is back end. Okay, so if we talk about what is mean by the front end, so the part of the website which the user can see, that is known as the front end part of the website. Okay, like you can see this all pages. Okay, so this has become the front end. Okay, so if we talk about what is mean by the back end, so back end is the part of the website which the user can't see. Let if we take the calculator. Okay, just a second, I will take a calculator. So basically this is our calculator. So this all is our front end part. Here you can see all. Let I will add 1 plus 1. Okay, so basically it will become the 2. So what it will do means, like it will add the two values like 1 plus 1, and it goes to the backend part and it will add the sum of the two numbers, and it will returns when we click here on the is equal to, then it will returns here 2. Okay, so basically it becomes like this is all our front end part, and when we click like 1 plus 1, then it will goes to the back end and it will add the two numbers. It will gives the output to the user. This is how the front end and the back end works. Okay, in the next video we will discuss about the front end and the back end, everything. Okay, so if we talk about where does the C is used, so basically C is used in the back end part. Okay, C is used in the backend part of the website. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, please like, share and subscribe to our channel, guys. Let's see you in the next video, guys.